Hello, this is Dustin with Home Mender, and today we are doing the ever popular M word. When people start saying mold, everyone gets nervous. It shows up in damp areas that don't have any ventilation, or if you have a leak. It's a pretty serious deal. But what people think is mold is not always mold. It's just gross. So we have a funky ceiling spot from a dormer leak, and we're going to check it for mold. I'm going to show you how. Let's get to it. So I've got this do-it-yourself mold test kit from Mold Armor. 48 hours, it says. Mold growth visible within 48 hours. It's not a rush operation to see if there's mold present. So what we did with this ceiling was cut out all the mold, treated it with a mold and mildew killer, replaced any wet insulation, and then repaired the ceiling. So I've got my little back of the drywall piece. When we pulled the ceiling down, this is what was there. So I've got that sample. I'm going to open our test kit. Looks like we got some Q-tips, potato dextrose, and I've got this Petri dish. So there's a couple different methods. You could do indoor air quality test, HVAC sampling. We're going to do number 3, when mold growth is visible. Okay, so basically what they want you to do is prepare a Petri thing, a Petri with this potato dextrose, pour it in there, stir it so it covers the whole bottom, and let that sit for 1 hour. Then after it's prepared, we take our cotton swab, wipe it across, put it in here, and then send this to a lab for an additional $40. So this seems kind of bogus. I mean, unless this is a serious issue. But this was super minor. This is how much it is, and like when leaks and stuff happen and water runs through shingles and roofing material and nails, it collects rust and dirt, and that's probably what we're looking at right here. So with the Petri dish, I've got it here. It says to lay it on a flat surface. Then we're going to take this potato dextrose. We're going to unscrew that. Dump it in here. There we go. Make sure that all the liquid is covering the bottom of the Petri dish. Then we're going to put the cap back on it and let that sit for an hour. Alright, it's been an hour. I'm going to go ahead and use my Q-tips. Now it says only 1 sample can be used per Petri dish. So we're going to take this guy here, and I'm just going to go to like the blackest spot, see if we can get a good sample. So I'm rolling this and like wiping it across the surface in the blackest area. Be sure to send both the swab and the taped Petri dish in the plastic bag to our lab analysis. Well, I tore up my plastic bag, and I'm not really sending this anyway. So I'm supposed to like try to get the mold to lay on this. Getting the mold to adhere. It says gently wipe the swab, getting the mold to adhere to the little medium thing. Okay. Alright. Now, plastic bag and my swab. Alright, I'll just send them this. And I got my little mold piece in my Petri dish. So we're going to put that here. Alright, now I'm going to send this off to the lab. So that's it. A terrible demonstration here from Mold Armor. Mail it off to a lab. That's pretty sad. Now I guess I could have read that in the store and saved myself the $10. If you're dealing with mold or what you believe to be mold, you should contact a mold abatement center. They come in and do the real deal, sterilize everything, pull out everything that needs to be done, and clean the HVAC system and all that air stuff. And so that's it. It made a terrible video. I'm going to put it out anyway just so you guys know about Mold Armor test kits. So for Home Mender, I'm Dustin. I hope you learned something today, and if you did, don't forget to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.